You might want to add a watermark to an existing video to extend your branding efforts, or add images to video to drive context that supplements what's spoken in a video. There are two ways of adding images to video. This video is going to show you how to use Filme to add images to video step by step. Let's begin. Method 1. Add image to the video on the same video track. Sometimes you might want to add an image to a video for drama effect, like this. Isn't this fun? Let me show you how to do this. First, launch Filme and import both the photo and video files. Then drag the video onto the timeline for further editing. Move the playhead to see where you would like to add the image. Then drag the image to the timeline and to the playhead. You can adjust the duration of the image. If you like the result, you can export the edited video. Method 2. Overlay image to the video on different video tracks. Sometimes you might want to cover certain inappropriate parts of the video, such as you don't want to show a certain face. The second method will show you how to overlay the image onto the video. First, import the video clips and images to Filme. Drag the video clips to the timeline. Move the playhead to preview where you would like to overlay the image. Then drag the image to the playhead on another video track. Double-click the image to edit. You can scale it or rotate it. Then move it to where you would like to cover the video. Then adjust the duration of the image. Also, you can use the emoji in the elements here for overlaying. When the video is okay, export the video. Okay, that's all for today. If this video helps, please drop a like and subscribe to our channel for more video tips and ideas. See you in the next video!